Orange County Restoration Services. We're at a house in South Orange County and we're going to be doing some water damage restoration here. They had a failed part on the bottom of the dishwasher and it flooded. The insurance carrier doesn't want to pay for it. So we're going to do all the remediation and we're going to try to see if we can help get the insurance carrier to pay for the damage depending on what we find when we get in there. So we're going to be building a plastic containment to isolate the part of the kitchen that we're going to be working in from the part that they get to keep. We're going to be building a decontamination area over here. We're going to set it up on negative air, which is the IICRC protocol. We're going to take out all these lower cabinets. We're going to hold the countertops up with 2x4s. And then once we get our results back from our asbestos testing, we're going to get in and open up all the walls, see how much mold there is, dry the structure, and get it all prepared for reconstruction. Before we got here, the owners had taken up a lot of the wood flooring, the laminate that was affected. I told them I wanted to double check it to make sure that there wasn't any moisture behind any of the other boards. As I'm peeling up these boards, I can smell a really musty odor, and I hit it with my moisture sensor and it's reading wet. So we're going to lift up a bunch more of these boards to make sure that we get all the water out of here.